What's up, guys? When we talk about speed, luxury and engineering at its finest, one name stands above the rest: Bugatti. In today's video, we're diving into the history of Bugatti, from its legendary beginnings to the hypercars that redefined speed. So buckle up and let's begin this incredible journey. Bugatti is not just a car manufacturer, it is a symbol of ultimate speed, unmatched luxury, and extreme engineering. When people talk about the fastest and most exclusive cars in the world, the name Bugatti stands alone. For more than a century, Bugatti has represented perfection, combining art and performance in a way no other brand has achieved. The story of Bugatti is not only about cars, but about vision, obsession, failure, and a legendary comeback that changed the automotive world forever. The journey of Bugatti began in 1909 when Ettore Bugatti, a brilliant Italian automotive designer, founded the company in Molsheim, France. At Ettore, Bugatti believed that cars should be more than machines. To him, a car was a piece of art, something beautiful to look at and extraordinary to drive. His philosophy was clear and bold: nothing should be too heavy, nothing should be too slow, and nothing should lack elegance. From the very beginning, Bugatti cars stood out because of their lightweight construction, powerful engines, and artistic design. During the early decades of the 20th century, Bugatti became a dominant force in motorsports. Bugatti cars were fast, reliable, and ahead of their time. The most legendary of these was the Bugatti Type 35, introduced in the 1920s. This car became one of the most successful racing cars in history, achieving over 1,000 victories in various competitions. The Type 35 was not only fast but also visually stunning. With its iconic horseshoe grille and elegant body, it turned Bugatti into a global icon and made Ettore Bugatti a legend in the automotive world. However, despite its success, Bugatti's story was not without tragedy. After World War II, the company faced serious challenges. Ettore Bugatti passed away in 1947, and without his leadership, the company struggled to survive. Economic difficulties, changing market demands, and increasing competition caused Bugatti to slowly fade from the automotive scene. By the 1950s, production had nearly stopped, and the legendary brand disappeared from the roads. For decades, Bugatti existed only in history books, museums, and the dreams of car enthusiasts. Many believed that Bugatti would never return. But in the late 1990s, something extraordinary happened. The Volkswagen Group acquired the Bugatti brand with a bold and ambitious goal: to build the greatest car ever made, without limits on cost, technology, or complexity. This was not about profit. It was about proving what engineering could achieve when there were no compromises. Bugatti was about to be reborn in a way the world had never seen before. In 2005, Bugatti shocked the automotive industry with the launch of the Bugatti Veyron. The Veyron was a technological miracle. It featured an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, something that seemed impossible at the time. The car could exceed 400 km per hour while still offering luxury, comfort, and reliability. The Veyron instantly became the fastest production car in the world and redefined the concept of a hypercar. It was not just fast, it was revolutionary. The Bugatti Veyron proved that Bugatti was truly back. It dominated headlines, broke speed records, and became a symbol of ultimate success. Only a limited number of Veyrons were produced, making each one incredibly rare and valuable. Owning a Bugatti was no longer just about driving, it was about status, exclusivity, and being part of automotive history. Bugatti had once again claimed its position at the very top, but Bugatti did not stop there. In 2016, the brand introduced its next masterpiece, the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron took everything the Veyron achieved and pushed it even further. With 1,500 horsepower, improved aerodynamics, and an even more luxurious interior, the Chiron represented the next evolution of Bugatti engineering. It could accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just a few seconds, while maintaining complete stability and control at extreme speeds. In 2019, Bugatti made history once again when a specially modified Chiron Supersport reached a speed of 490 km per hour, becoming the fastest car ever driven. This achievement was not just a record, it was a statement. Bugatti showed the world that limits exist only to be broken. No other manufacturer was even close to matching Bugatti's level of performance and precision. Beyond speed, what truly sets Bugatti apart is craftsmanship. Every Bugatti is hand-built by skilled engineers and artisans. The interiors are made using the finest leather, aluminum, carbon fiber, and custom materials chosen by the owner. Each car can take months or even years to complete, depending on the level of customization. Bugatti does not mass-produce vehicles. It creates masterpieces tailored to individual clients. Bugatti's exclusivity is another key part of its identity. The company produces only a very small number of cars each year. Special editions like the Divo, Lavorta, Noir, Bolide, and Mistral are produced in extremely limited numbers, sometimes only one unit. La Voiture Noire, for example, is one of the most expensive cars ever made, representing the peak of automotive luxury and rarity. Today, Bugatti stands at the edge of a new era. As the automotive world moves toward hybrid and electric technology, Bugatti is preparing to evolve once again. While the future may look different, the core philosophy remains the same: pushing boundaries, creating beauty, and delivering unmatched performance. Bugatti is not interested in following trends. It is focused on setting them. The story of Bugatti is a story of vision, passion, and perfection. From Ettore Bugatti's early dreams to modern hypercars that defy physics, Bugatti has always existed beyond normal rules. It is not built for everyone. It is built for those who demand the absolute best, without compromise. Bugatti is more than a car brand. It is a legend on wheels, a masterpiece of speed and art, and a symbol of what happens when human ambition has no limits.